Yeah, our construction site for the final solution of two big shade cells. We have installed here a massive pole, cement foundation going almost 2 meters underground for holding this 5-meter pole in place. Final design for butterfly shade cells, 2 triangles, kindergarten playground. Now with measurements, the final measurements on site after preparing pole and all other attachment points. Shade cell custom made to fit this playground between wall attachments and several poles. And now we are feeding stainless steel cable inside the pocket. Adjusting and tensioning the sail, first half of the butterfly. So the first shade cell is tensioned between all attachment points. Now we are tensioning the sail from all 3 corners. Birthday of the butterfly.
Absolutely. And you know, for the children in this area, it's just going to make so much difference. Such a difference.
Here we are at a recent installation of 2 shade cells and coming for inspection today. The butterfly design.
Năng, ai kêu mình chăng đến slide cả ta